Hi, my name is Sierra Nolan. I am on my fourth semester at Arizona State University for the Master's in Early Childhood Education. I am from New York, Western New York, and from a very small town. I am currently doing my internship at Bolivar-Richburg Central School and substituting there as well. As far as math experience in kindergarten through third grade, I have limited experience, but I do have mostly experience with earlier childhood, so birth through 3 and pre-K. But I am currently working on broadening my experience in that field. My main experiences, how they've shaped me as a teacher and a learner, is that math often has some negative connotations and can frustrate people if they don't have that kind of brain work. But the one thing that's nice about math is that you can do it multiple ways. So there's multiple ways to learn math, and finding that particular route to how students learn best is just so impactful. And it's kind of hard with the Common Core way of learning math now, because there's certain ways you need to learn math, but to explain it in multiple ways is just the best way to approach it, I would say, and that's how it has affected me as a teacher and a learner for myself. My first exposure with math, I would say, was very early on, probably before I could really remember. My mom was always getting us involved in math activities and just had early exposure to us. And when I say us, I mean my twin sister and I. So we were always doing extra things to, keep us busy. Especially I remember one summer we did a whole math packet to get extra credit, and I'm pretty sure we were like the only two that did it. But, we had very early on exposure, and I thank my mom mostly for that. But I guess how I would view myself as a mathematician then and now, I did not have a very good experience with math. I think about in 6th grade, I had a teacher that just often yelled how to do things in math, but would explain it one way, and then if you didn't get it, she would just say the same thing louder. So I lost a lot of confidence with this teacher, but I've grown to try to gain my confidence back. I had to do a lot of stuff. I had to get tutoring from my grandfather, who's very good at math, but it definitely impacted me how I view my abilities as a mathematician. I feel like I still have doubts and stuff. So I would say now I feel like I have more capabilities, and that if I go slow and try to expand my knowledge, I will be able to do it. I just have to figure out the best way for me. I would say how I would use this reflection to strengthen and impact my classroom abilities is that I would try to help kids not get frustrated and help them form a positive self-concept and self-efficacy. So that was mentioned in the article provided for this discussion, the one that says, I'm just not good at math. Well, Bandura's work was used to reference self-efficacy, and that's basically a judgment of your own capabilities and how you can carry out certain actions, and that affects your self-concept directly. So basically your perception of self through your own experiences. So I would do my best to help children form a positive self-efficacy and self-concept through positive experiences and meaningful experiences. And if they struggle, I want them to take on that struggle and accept that challenge and work through their own struggles. So I'm really excited to learn more in this course, and hopefully I can gain more experience and become a better teacher that way. Thank you.